My 10-minute planning system saves me about 8 hours of time every single week. And I'm going to give you the exact system and show you how to use it properly so that by the end of this video, you can also save yourself time, but also make sure that you are optimizing for the most productive weeks without having to put in much effort at all. I'm Gina. I spent 20 years building startups, and now I work directly with founders to set up their systems, tools, and strategies to build proper businesses as easily and cheaply as possible. This planning system is something that I have spent the last 5 years perfecting, ever since I found the greatest free business tool in the world, Notion. And this tool is yours for free in the link in the description. But how I spend my Sunday setting it up is the real key to success, so let's get into it. I started my business working full time. I used to use paper notebook, my notes app, my calendar, and God knows what else just scattered around the place for notes and lists and things that I actually had to get done. I consider myself a pretty productive person. I get up early, I use time blocking, but I would still succumb to sitting down to do what I needed to get done for my business and basically just faffing. That's when I knew I needed a system that was so easy to set up that I would never skip it, and it made my life easier during the week so I could actually get things done. And that was the birth of the Sunday setup. So let me take you through exactly how to do this yourself. Now, this is the template I use. It has a free text space here that I have as a page also on my phone and my iPad, so that every time a thought comes into my head at any point during the week, I drop it in here, meaning it's out of my head and all in one place, whether I am at my desk or not. It then has this button, which automates a weekly setup that shows me my notes and then has it planned out every single day on what I'm doing and what I'm working on. But let's not skip too far ahead of ourselves. This calendar is my Bible. Now, this is an empty template, so you can use it, but mine is filled with all of my appointments, all of my tasks, all of my meetings, everything in one place that I can see every time I come to use this on a daily basis. I've then got my weekly to-dos, so things that I need to get done in that week, my priority to-dos, things that are really, really urgent, and then a master list here. In my setup, I have all of my workflows and processes underneath. For the template, I've put in marketing and content because they are the most obvious used ones. But this is where you have your business essentially sitting underneath your setup. And we don't pull everything from the business. We use Notion linked views, which is an amazing property, to make sure that the things we're going to be working on are referenced in our Sunday setup. As I say, I've just dropped in marketing and content to this template, as that is what most business needs to be working on during the week. But add in your own business ops and sections here. If you are new to Notion and want to set this up yourself, watch this video on how to get started. And if you can't be bothered and you just want someone to do it for you, I've created the complete business blueprint. This is every workspace and workflow that you need for any business of any size. So grab that for yourself, as I've actually already done all of the hard work for you. But let's get back to how we use those 10 minutes to set yourself up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this button to set up our week. We're going to title it the correct week. And this is now our skeleton for everything to go in for our week. Now that's there, what I'm going to do is going to look at all the other places that my information may live. First thing you're going to do is look at your last week. I do this every week. I will have leftover tasks in this Notion space. So we're going to go into our last week and we're going to carry across anything that is left over or unfinished. Then you are going to look at your plans, your actual diary and calendar for 7 days. And now, this is where it's super easy to use this template, because what we're going to do is we're going to drop in any of our plans, our meetings, our events, day by day. As you can see, this is split day by day. So if I have a meeting on a Monday, I have the cinema on a Wednesday, I have a big touch base with a client on the Thursday. I'm just going to add these in with the correct dates. Notice how these are split out by day because of the day filter at the end, but you can go through and add in everything from your diary to this one page. Put things in as calls, make sure you've got everything in there. When I've got a call, what I like to do is use the time functionality, which is including the time, and actually put in the time of the call. But the first step of this is to build out your actual plans. Next, I'm going to scan my inbox and add anything from there into the notes section up here that's relevant to what we want to get done. From here, I will go to my project boards and I will see any upcoming deadlines, anything outstanding, and also add any of those to this notes section up here as well. Again, these are just boards for demonstration purposes, so your own ops and processes will be in here. All of your deadlines, drop anything that you need to think about into this weekly notes section here. Next, I'm going to go back into my overview where the notes are referenced, and I'm going to tidy this into categories and then into projects and tasks. I do a quick tidy of this, and then I go through in this side view and start dropping my tasks into each of these days. And that just made me realize I've missed something quite important, but it's fine, I'm only human. We have this category here for our inputs for our days, where I've put event, meeting, or task. You can add a new thing to this by simply free typing and pressing enter. But you want to categorize all these things that you're adding in. So your events, your meetings, and then going through and adding each of those tasks as a task. Write up pitch deck with the due date, and so on and so forth for everything in this section. Once you've gone through the whole of your populated notes section and dropped in all your tasks, you will find that there's quite a lot going on, so this will be nice and full. And now to make this even more productive and useful, what I'm going to do now is go through and grab all of the information I need to complete that task and add it directly into the card here. So if I'm writing up my pitch deck, I'm going to spend this time on a Sunday throwing all the information that I need to do that task in there. For my meetings, I'm going to add the meeting link. I also use Granola for all of my meetings so that it automatically populates this Notion card with the meeting notes afterwards. But I'm going to go through one by one to each of those tasks that I've set up and make sure that when I come to do that task, everything is in that one card. Once I've done that for all of the days, I am done. Now, if I click out of here, you will see that this has populated my week. I have my events, my calls, my tasks, all in this one view, so that every day I can just come into this template, click into each card, and everything that I need is in one place, meaning no tab switching, no context switching, pure focus and freedom to do what I need to get done. Underneath this, I can use my to-do spaces to also check in separately and tick off from a whole as well, and I can see all of my work processes underneath that as well. And this can become more and more advanced. This is a very quick walkthrough of this tool, but if you know anything about Notion, in those cards when you go to populate them, you can set up relations and linked views of every project that you're working on, so your day-to-day is simply going into one place and working directly from there. If you do want to learn more about that, watch this video and check out the free resource on my website. But because of this system, my life has never been easier to manage. It takes just 10 minutes on a Sunday to get it all set up, and it also means that everything I'm doing in Notion is all tracked, managed in one place, linked to all of my workspaces, which is the key to success. If you are launching or scaling a brand, the best way to do it is to build the systems properly first, layer on tech, and then focus on what connects you to your community. And that is everything this channel is all about. So please do subscribe, and if you want to learn more about Notion and how it can help build your business, watch this video next.